You are watching Pharma News. Here are the top headlines of today.
Glenmark and Torrent signed licensing agreement for co-marketing of Remogliflozin Etabonate in India. This agreement is an effort to widen access to the latest novel globally researched drug used in the treatment of type 2 diabetes in India. Under the terms of this non-exclusive agreement, Glenmark will manufacture and supply this drug while Torrent will market the drug under its own trademark in India. CDSCO Committee turns down Novartis FDC drug including Vildagliptin, Metformin, Glimepiride. Initially, firm's proposal was taken up by the SEC, wherein the committee opined that there is no rationality in combining two insulin secretagogues in one PFC. Danish regulator bans staff from owning shares in pharma and device companies. Under the new conflict of interest rules, existing employees who own such shares have 2 years to divest the assets. FDA accepts biologics license application of Sanofi's isatuximab in multiple myeloma. The regulator is expected to provide a decision by 30 April of next year. White House pulls industry's favored rebate proposal. The news comes right after a federal judge nixed the Trump administration's rule requiring drug prices in TV ads, and within months of former FDA chief Scott Gottlieb's departure. ITC identifies 17 medical device monitoring centers pan-India to analyze serious adverse events exclusively. Material Vigilance Program of India is meant to enable safety data collection in a systematic manner so that the regulatory decisions and recommendations on safe use of medical devices for India could be based on data generated in India. Reckitt pays US $1.4 billion to settle opioid treatment spat. British consumer health giant Reckitt announced Thursday it will pay up to $1.4 billion to settle a dispute with US authorities over the sale and marketing of an opioid addiction treatment. EC approves GSK-Pfizer consumer health joint venture with conditions. GSK will be the majority shareholder with a 68% interest in the joint venture, which was announced last December. Gilead picks site for Western China operations. Gilead Sciences inks an agreement with Chengdu High-Tech Zone, signifying the official registration of its Western China operations center there. Indian Pharma stocks update. Top gainers are Orchid Pharma Limited up 4% and Sun Pharma up 2.7%. On the other hand, Ajanta Pharma down 0.9% and Dr. Reddy's Labs are down 0.5% are among the top losers.
For details, you can visit the link shown in the news bites. And for quick pharma industry updates, download PharmaState app.